Let's pour some. Okay, that's enough. Oh, some spilling. Let's clean that off. And then we put all of these missiles, and then we put all of these missiles on. And then mix them together. I'm not sure I can mix them together. It's stuck. And I'm gonna add some of these sauces to the salmon, okay? Here comes a sliver of sauce. Huh? Alright. That's gonna be a better combo. Alright. Oh, it's kind of squishy. Oh no, I'm tearing off the salmon. I'm not sure I can take it out.
Ask Quentin to help.
Quentin, help me tear off this one as a place.
Ask Quentin. Louder.
Quentin, help me. Oh, I take it off. How are we gonna use this food? Help me. Ooh. Now all of them is in a bottom. I'm gonna put some missiles on the top. I need some missile sauce.
A few moments later.
So, alright. And then we'll put this in. Put the butter. Okay, I'll put the butter. I'm not sure I can grab it. How about it's like I can't grab it. And look at the butter; it's like turning to oil. Yoink! Anna, some salmon tear off out. Some salmon tear off. And then put it right here. And then we cook it like that. Wow! Guys, remember, ask me no because I'm asking. It's freezing. Whoa! Whoa! That was the wrong one. Very, very yummy. Hello, super yummy. Momo, sorry, you're gonna get tagged.